separation of church and state is more or less binary. Nandyan siya o wala siya. The separation of church and state principle/doctrine only prevents priests at ang simbahan from being the state. Hindi sinasabi or it doesn't say anything about preventing the church to shape and guide public policy and opinion. Na nasa Omnibus Election Code na hindi mo pwedeng i-coerce ang iyong mga mananampalataya o under your organizations para bumoto sa isang kandidato or suporta ng isang kandidato. That's a good thing. Pero again, that doesn't say anything about preventing the church to shape at i-guide yung public policy and opinion katulad ng ginawa ng Catholic Church laban sa RH Bill noong si Noynoy Aquino pa ang nakaupo. May double standard when it comes to freedom of expression kasi yes, we shouldn't normalize religious bloc voting at yung parang blind following and all that stuff. Pero it's evident that when you cheer for the other, kasi it's an example of good church interventions, will you scoff at another because it's an example of a bad church intervention when in the end it doesn't really matter. Although we shouldn't really tolerate people who credibly say that they have hired someone to kill the president, their first partner and House Speaker. Any of those people shall be protected because they are, or at the very least, killing them would be tantamount to treason. The Iglesia ni Cristo is a powerful bloc of the Philippines with consistent voting patterns in national elections na hinahagilap ng mga politiko dahil sa kanilang timely tradition of, or at least the people speculates, religious bloc voting. Now, ano nga ba ang religious grounds bloc voting? Well, it's basically the vetting o pag-endorso ng leader ng church sa isang kandidato kung saan lahat ng mananampalataya ay inaasahan na bumoto base sa inendorso ng leader ng kanilang simbahan. Sa case of Iglesia ni Cristo, they have done many endorsements. Sa kaso ng Iglesia ni Cristo, many of the candidates na nanalo attributes part of their success sa endorsement ng Iglesia ni Cristo.